Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. In this video, the iPhone XS Max will be replaced with the new case and the display screen. It can be seen that the back case of this iPhone is seriously broken, and the screen of the phone is also damaged. Now let's leave the phone. First, unscrew two rear fixing screws. Use the pick to open the screen gap. After uncovering the screw, unscrew the screws of the motherboard cable cover and remove the cover. Unscrew the screen cable cover screws and remove the screen cable cover. Disconnect the battery cable and the screen cable. Put the protective film on the Face ID component. Continue to disconnect all cables from the motherboard. Remove the camera cover and take out the rear camera. Then pull out the battery sieve to facilitate the removal of the battery. Unscrew one motherboard fixing screw and take out the Face ID assembly. Then unscrew the remaining motherboard fixing screws and take out the motherboard. Continue to disassemble the rear speaker and vibration meter. Remove the bevel screws and take away the bevel. Disconnect the speaker cable. Remove the remaining screws. After removing the speaker, disconnect the vibration meter cable and remove the vibration meter. Continue to remove the rear charging socket. Remove the subboard. Now let's disassemble the wireless charging module, which is connected to the side button of the mobile phone. So unscrew the side button fixing screw, and finally take out the wireless charging module. Now, let all the phone parts and the brand new back cover and screen are here. Let's start the installation. Start the installation from the rear vibration meter. Buckle the cable and tighten the screws. Then install the rear speakers. Install the bezel after tightening all the fixing screws. Tighten the bezel screws. Then install the side button on the phone. Install the wireless charging module. Install the side button of the mobile phone and tighten the side button screws. Then install the motherboard. Fasten the wireless charging cable and the support cable. Tighten the screws searching the motherboard. Install the rear camera, fasten the cable, and install the battery. Continue to install the Face ID component and barcode cable. Then put new adhesive on the battery. After aligning the position, press the battery. Now remove the handset module. Import the date from the old phone screen to the new phone screen. Install the handset on the new screen. Apply new screen glue to your phone. Start installing phone screen. Fasten the handset cable and screen cable. Install the screen cable cover after tightening the screws. After tightening the screws, press the phone screen. Install the rear fixing screws. Now let's turn it on and see the various functions. It can be seen that all functions are normal, then the replacement of the rear case and the screen of this iPhone is over.